Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. So here let's suppose that I have a makeup studio and now I want to send a WhatsApp message to my customers about the new upcoming offers. So in a Google Sheet I have added the details of my customers, and by using those details I want to send a WhatsApp message regarding the upcoming offers. So now to do this I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Google Sheets and my action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using WhatsApp Cloud API. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. So here let's assume that I have a makeup studio and I maintain the customer details in a Google Sheet. So my objective is to send a WhatsApp message to my customers regarding the upcoming offers. So now to do this, I'm going to automate this entire process by using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Google Sheets to WhatsApp, because in this automation we are going to use Google Sheets and WhatsApp. So here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to send WhatsApp messages from Google Sheets. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Google Sheets as my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be to new or updated spreadsheet row. So now moving to my action window, as I want to send a WhatsApp message to my customers. So to send a WhatsApp message, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. And the action event will be to send template message. So here as you can see that I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So my objective is to send my customers a WhatsApp message regarding the upcoming offers. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly to do this, I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL will act as a bridge to connect your Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So this here is my Google Sheet, and the name of my Google Sheet is customer details. It consists of two columns. First is of customer name, second is of customer number, and it consists of only one sheet. So here are the details of my customers, and now I want to connect this sheet with Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, I will go to extensions and make sure you should have this Pabbly Connect's webhook extension. So if you don't have it, you can simply go to add-ons and then go to get add-ons. So here you just have to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And here it is. So over here you can see that as I've already installed this extension, so it says installed, you also have to follow the same process to install it. So I'm going to close it. So now to build a connection, I will again go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then go to initial setup. So here in initial setup, it says the webhook URL will be set up on the below selected sheet, and the sheet is sheet 1. So here I need to mention the webhook URL and the trigger column. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL, and here I'm going to paste the same. So now moving to the trigger column. So the trigger column will be final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here B is my final data column, so it will be my trigger column, and now I'm going to click on submit. So here you can see that the setup is configured successfully, and as I'm going to click on send test, it will send the test data to Pabbly Connect. So here it says test data sent successfully. Going back to Pabbly Connect, here you can see that I have received a response. Here's the trigger column, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, customer name, and the contact number. So here in Pabbly Connect, the detail of the customer is successfully captured. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now automatically Pabbly Connect will get. So now the first objective of this automation is set up. That means Pabbly Connect will capture the details of the contact from Google Sheet. So now as I've got the customer detail over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to send a WhatsApp message. So here to send a WhatsApp message, I'm using WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to click on Connect. And now in order to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get these details, you have to set up the WhatsApp Cloud API account and then you have to go to Meta for Developers. And here in Meta for Developers in App Dashboard, I will go to WhatsApp and then I will go to API Setup. So over here, this is the temporary access token. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste it in Pabbly Connect. So now moving to the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So this here is the phone number ID. I'm going to copy it and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. Now going for the WhatsApp business account ID, going to copy it again and paste it over here. So once I've mentioned the details, I'm going to click on Save. So over here, WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the template name, language code and the selected template ID. So I'm going to take you to WhatsApp Manager and over here, this is the template which I've created by the name of Divine Glamour, which I want to use. So as I have a makeup studio, I want to send a WhatsApp message regarding the upcoming offers. So I've already created a template over here. If you want to create a new template, you can simply go to create template button and you can create a new one. So I'm going to go to my template. So this here is my template. So it goes as, hello, thank you for contacting us. We have some special discounts for you as you are so special for us. Enjoy 60% off on all your appointments this month on any service and get 10% extra off on your first booking. And here is a apply coupon code. So after hello, you can see there is a custom variable. So this variable will keep on changing accordingly as per the new response will be received. So I've mentioned this variable for the name of the customer. So here after hello, I want to mention the name of the customer. So as per the new response will be received, then automatically the name will keep on changing over here. So now going back to Pabbly Connect and here from this drop down, I'm going to select my template as Divine Glamour. Here it is. So here the language code and the selected template ID is automatically selected. So now moving to the recipient mobile number. So here to mention this, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received the response from Google Sheets, so here I have mapped the mobile number. So now moving to the body field. So over here, I need to mention the variable details. So as this variable is for the name, so over here I've mapped the name. So as you can see that I've mapped the details, this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, so that response can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now after mapping the details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received the response and this here is a positive one. So now I'm going to show you the WhatsApp message as well that would have been sent to the customer. So over here after hello, you can see this is the name of the customer. So here matching it from the Google Sheet, here is the customer name as demo user. So going back to WhatsApp, so here is the body content and the regards. So here after hello, you can see that the name of the customer is mentioned successfully and a WhatsApp message is sent to the customer regarding the upcoming offers. Going back to Pabbly Connect. So now here as my objective is to send a WhatsApp message to all of my customers whose details I've added in my Google Sheets. So in order to do that in this Google Sheet, again I need to go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on send all data. So by clicking on send all data, I'm making sure that the details of all of these customers will get captured in Pabbly Connect and then a WhatsApp message will be sent to the customers regarding the upcoming offers. So here I've done that. So by clicking on send all data, it will make sure that the details of all of my customers will be sent here in Pabbly Connect and then a WhatsApp message will be sent to my customers. So this automation is a successful one. A WhatsApp message will be sent to my customers from the Google Sheets about the upcoming offer. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.